Are you looking for the best budget electric bike in 2025? In today's video, we'll explore 5 top contenders that won't break the bank, offering great features, performance, and value for money. Stick around to find out which one deserves a spot in your garage. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Ride1Up Turris. It proves that an e-bike doesn't need to be pricey or packed with features to perform well. With its 750-watt motor, it offers solid power for most scenarios and engages quickly when pedaling, though there's a slight delay with throttle use. The bike's design is sleek, with mechanical disc brakes and an easy-to-read digital display. It also comes equipped with a bright 60 lux headlight, front and rear fenders, an adjustable kickstand, and wide 27.5 by 2.4-inch tires. However, there's no taillight, and assembly may require a visit to your local bike shop. The front suspension fork also feels a bit unnecessary. Despite these small drawbacks, the Turris is a fantastic choice for anyone seeking an affordable, reliable e-bike for city commuting. Number 2. Ride1Up Roadster V3. This is the successor to the beloved Roadster V2, and it's a significant upgrade that improves on almost every aspect. While it's a bit heavier, 39 pounds versus 33, the V3 offers a higher top speed, 28 miles per hour versus 24 miles per hour, and a longer range, 40 miles versus 30 miles, making it a more powerful and reliable commuter e-bike. The V3 is $200 more, but the performance improvements justify the extra cost. The bike is agile, with solid handling for tight spaces, and the pedal-based torque sensor adjusts assist based on your pedaling. The versatile 45mm tires handle roads, sidewalks, and light dirt paths easily. However, the battery performance is disappointing. After just 5 miles on high assist, it drained 80%. For those seeking a similar bike with more options, the Propella 9S Pro offers a commuter-friendly design, but tops out at 20 miles per hour. Number 3. Wing Freedom 2. This is a budget-friendly alternative to the now-defunct Van Moof, sharing a similar sleek frame design with its vertical top tube and integrated wiring, though it exposes the wires at the handlebars. The bike stands out with a removable battery, allowing for easy charging and swapping. It features a built-in LCD display, showing speed, pedal assist level, and battery life, though it lacks the color vibrancy of premium models. Instead of a torque sensor, it uses a cadence sensor, meaning there's a slight delay in the pedal assist power. This can make it less responsive on steep inclines. Despite this, it handled city rides around Manhattan and Central Park without issue, making it a solid option for everyday commuting or leisurely rides. Number 4. Propella 9S Pro. This is a highly functional and enjoyable electric bike, offering improvements over its predecessor that enhance both performance and comfort. One notable upgrade is the addition of a torque sensor and a new motor that quickly engages as soon as you start pedaling, providing better power delivery. It's powerful enough to tackle steep hills, though adding a throttle would be a welcome feature for some riders. The bike also features a removable battery that's now seamlessly integrated into the frame, giving it a cleaner look and eliminating the rattle of the earlier version. With adjustable handlebars, it accommodates a range of rider sizes, while its step-over and step-through designs provide extra flexibility. Equipped with a headlight, integrated fenders, and hydraulic disc brakes, the 9S Pro V2 stands out as an excellent value for its price. Number 5. Lectric XP 3.0. It offers a budget-friendly alternative to expensive folding electric bikes like Brompton and Go Cycle, which can cost over $3,000. Priced around $1,000, the XP 3.0 delivers a great ride with features such as a suspension fork, large 3-inch tires, front and rear lights, hydraulic disc brakes, and ample mounting points for accessories. The bike also offers excellent range, making it a solid option for longer rides. However, it has some downsides. At 64 pounds, it's much heavier than other folding bikes, making it difficult to carry, especially upstairs. Additionally, the folding mechanism could be more secure, and taller riders, 6 feet 5 inches and above, may feel a bit cramped. So, which one's the best? After testing, the Ride1Up Turris takes the top spot for its excellent balance of power, design, and price. It's the perfect budget e-bike for 2025. Let us know your thoughts in the comments.